Hey guys, what's up? It's YouTube Tips and Tricks here. So this isn't exactly a YouTube trick, but it is a tip on making some extra money that I'm bringing you guys today. This is, if you've never heard about it, it's sticker.co. They basically, you sign up, you pay shipping and handling, they ship you out a sticker, you install it on the back window of your car, and then they pay you for it. So this is the installation. The first thing you want to do is get your window clean, of course. So I just used Windex and some paper towels, and I scrub down my window like you can see in the video. And then here in a minute, I go through installing the video, and then I use a spatula to get any of the little wrinkles out and stuff like that. But ultimately, this seems like a good idea. I've watched a few reviews on Facebook. And it seems like you make about $15 to $20 a month, but you also get quite a few $25 gift cards through this. The guy had like $150 in gift cards. So I'm super excited to go ahead and get this in. I also show you guys I'll have the actual link for the website in my description. I'm sure you can go to the website and sign up. And you'll be able to go to the website once you're done installing the sticker, once you get it, to actually provide proof and show them that you got the sticker. So I do enjoy bringing you guys these videos. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check out the sticker.co, and it might be something for you, especially if you want to earn a little passive income, which I know a lot of YouTube creators do. That's why I'm uploading this video. But as always, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great rest of your day, and I love you all. Later. Okay, so there that is. I'll be right back.